Hello everyone. Welcome to the Syed School. Today, we will learn about cloud computing and why cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is essentially renting computing resources, like storage and processing power, over the internet instead of owning and maintaining them yourself. Think of it like streaming movies instead of buying DVDs. You access the content you need on demand, without having to store it all locally. Suppose you need to start up an organization and you do not want to spend on servers, storage, and the personal IT infrastructure, then you have the cloud providers like AWS, GCP for servers, storage, and multiple services. You just need an internet to access these services from any location in the world. Why cloud computing? Scalability and flexibility. You can start from a low computing server or storage, and if you need to increase compute power or storage, then you can change it virtually in clouds, which is not the case in personal infrastructure. Going globally. Cloud providers has multiple data centers across the world, and you can deploy your application at multiple locations across the world so that user gets lower latency. Cloud computing deployment models. All-in cloud deployment. This deployment relies entirely on cloud. An application with all of its component is deployed in the cloud with minimum or no on-premises infrastructure. Hybrid cloud deployment. Hybrid cloud deployment. A hybrid cloud deployment is a strategy that combines a public cloud with a private cloud or on-premises infrastructure. It allows organizations to leverage the benefits of both environments, choosing the best place for each workload or application. We just need to create an AWS account to access AWS Services. This is an AWS account and we are in the Account Management Console. Let's have a look at various AWS services. We see various AWS services here like compute, storage, and many others. In compute section, we have many services like EC2, Lambda, and so on. We will learn about AWS services in the upcoming videos. Let's have a look at EC2 service. We can use this service to launch an EC2 instance, which is a virtual server in the cloud with a choice of processor, storage, networking, operating system, and so on. Let's have a look at AWS S3 service now. S3 Bucket is a storage service in the cloud which stores the data.